Hello everyone, welcome to the third video of ERPNext demo tutorial series by TechSolvo. In this particular video, we are going to learn how to create a sales order inside ERPNext. Right, so in the previous two videos, what we have done is we have added few of the items inside our system. Secondly, we have created a bill of material for production of an item called as metallic table. Right, so in the previous video, we discussed that metallic table is created using three core components, which are the raw materials needed. One is the metallic sheet, second one is the paint, and the third one is screw. So in general, we have created the complete operation table and BOM for that particular product. Now we just wanted to understand how a sales order is received inside ERPNext and how then you can convert that particular work order into a job card, right? And the job card is basically a thing which is used to monitor the complete production or manufacturing process inside ERPNext. So yeah, let's get started and see how basically a sales order is received and how you can convert it into a work order and then into a job card. So as you can see on my screen, I'll just search over here as sales order, right? And I'll click on new sales order, which we have received. Over here, you can see this is the complete form which you need to fill whenever you receive a new sales order, right? So the date is the new date, the present date which we are receiving it now. Inside the customer list, we have a lot of customers. So in general, I'll select Yatharth Enterprises for time being. I'll select a delivery date. So let's just say I want to deliver it by 31st of May. This is the everything. Now I just need to select the item code, right? So I just want to select metal table. Okay. And in general, this client of mine needed 15 metallic tables. So I'll select 15 from here, right? So you can see the complete item code is created, delivery date is created, quantity is created, and rate is also selected. You can see the complete INR and everything, the valuation is already created, right? Inside text category, what I'll do is I'll select, this is an in-state product. So I am just selling it inside my state only. So I'll just select in-state, right? So you can see everything is already pre-selected, SGST, CGST, and everything is selected according to this product item code and the category of GST it comes in. So the category of GST it comes in is the 18%. So the system has already calculated SGST and CGST according to that. And everything is over here auto completed. Grand total, taxes and charges, and rounded total, everything is completed over here, right? In general, if there is any discount or anything which you want to give it, you can give it from here, but for time being we are not giving any discount, right? Address and contact. So when I have created a customer, I have already pre-filled all these details, so I can already see that this complete information is pre-filled for me. Terms and condition is the company base. So in general, if you want to create any terms, you can create it, but for time being we are not creating any terms. But all these options are already there. Connections and everything, GST and everything is already pre-filled. So once I click on save and I click on submit, right, the sales order would be generated, right? So it is that simple. If you want to print it, you can just click on print, and this particular sales order would come in my format, wherein you can see there is TechSolvo and complete sales order and formatting is generated.